Iron Man uploads 10,000 leads, half land on Mars. Bad import logic kills pipelines. Wrong mappings, broken CSVs, missing fields. Sales waste months cleaning instead of closing. AI runs checks before damage happens. Open prize, rudder stack. Talent validate and clean data during import. Stark never crashes CRM again. Clean imports mean clean sales. Imagine Apple losing pre-orders for iPhones because CSV headers were wrong. Unthinkable. How many leads has bad importing already cost you? AI prevents silent revenue death. And the best part? Once it's set up, AI never gets tired, never misclicks, and never forgets a field. Want import safety nets? Build them free with Moksy.ai. Subscribe now, because Iron Man should battle villains, not broken spreadsheets.